If you like cake and you like pumpkin pie, you're going to love this. It's quick, easy, simple, and different. Your whole family's going to love Bev-O's pumpkin dessert. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. And here's the recipe. Here's your crust. Basically, what you're going to do. You're going to start with a box of yellow cake mix. You're going to reserve back a cup of that mix. That's going to be the topping. We'll talk about that later. This is a stick of butter. The rest of the package, minus that cup, and an egg. We're going to mix that up. Press it into a greased 13 by 9 pan. Here's some pure pumpkin. And we're going to get going on the filling right now. The next thing you're going to want to do, 2/3 of a cup of evaporated milk in with the pumpkin. Three-fourths of a cup sugar. Now we're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And then a 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and cinnamon. That's it. Starting to smell like Thanksgiving. We got about 4 or 5 more minutes on this. We just want to make sure that we get that egg fully cooked. We are going to bake it, but we want the filling to kind of be its own clingy thing. So, a few more minutes on this. So, for the topping, you need your reserved back, the cup of cake mix that you held back. Oh, we'll get that. Throw in a 1/2 cup of oats. 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Boy, I really should have got a tripod. 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. And a 1/4 cup of softened margarine. Now, we're going to mix all those ingredients together. And then we're going to sprinkle and drop it on top of the filling mixture. This mixture that we pour in there. So, let's pour. We're done cooking. We're just going to pour that all in there. Now mind you, this whole time, my oven's been preheating on 325, okay? So, I'll set you down. I'm going to get the rest of this out of here, into there, and we'll be back for the topping. Okay, I got that all out of there. Now I'm just going to kind of spread it around, level it out, even it out. Now, this was my mom's recipe. She's no longer with us. So, she may be gone. But her spirit and her food lives on. So, we got that in there. We're going to have to mix that up real quick. And then we'll drop it on there. So, that's about the consistency that you want the topping. It should be anyways. It should be kind of clingy. You should be able to form a ball with it real nice. But it should almost rip on its own weight. But now you can sprinkle this. You can, if it comes out a little thin, you can just kind of drizzle it over there. You can do whatever you want. Sprinkle or drop. It's really just like so. So we'll just continue to do this. And there's plenty. Like it'll fill up the whole thing, so. But it'll kind of fall and bake around and can't get it. So you're just kind of going around, putting little crumbles everywhere and a little bit left in the bowl here. So just finish sprinkling that stuff around. It'll all kind of bake up and move around, and you're gonna end up with quite the masterpiece of a Thanksgiving dessert. Shake the rest of that in there. Man, that looks delicious, and it's not even cooked yet. So, like I said, 325. We're going to do about 50 minutes. We got a preheated oven. I'm going to have to set you down here to get that in there. And we're in. We'll see ya in 50 minutes. And here it is. We just need to let it cool, and then we can serve it. I like to serve mine with Cool Whip. But I'm telling you guys, this stuff is delicious. If you like cake, if you like pumpkin pie, you're going to love this. I think everyone in your family is going to go nuts for it. I really do. So, give Bevo's pumpkin dessert a try. It's amazing.